Sa inyo na ngayong hapon, afternoon ma'ams, ministers. I'm Ken, currently part of the financing of Pinagong Bughaw. So we are a youth-led non-profit organization based sa Iloilo City, specifically in Haro. Maybe one of the reasons why joining us this training for Hacks for Growth, siguro because upon entering with the NGO right now, the transition, there's a lot of things to work on. I've talked sa ating advisors, about this, and I just realized right now that a lot of things are needed to be done in order na follow talaga yung requirements and to be able to say na you're compliant with the needs. And it's really helpful na you're here today na nag-learn kita not only with the keeping thing but also with the access and compliance kay ma-follow na ang sakto, and at the same time sakto you can avoid legalities when it comes to compliances. And siguro when it comes sa Pinagong Bughaw, one amon being line of business is not construction or anything, but we do community works, adolescent health, mental health, across communities around the